Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. If you're so inclined and you get the chance, please hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification icon. It'll notify you when I release new videos, let YouTube know you're a human who's interested in EDC and knife content, and it'll also do me a huge favor. I'd appreciate it, guys. Today's going to be a real quick unboxing on this little package that came in from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. The unboxing knife is the Wee Roxy 3. It's my primary carry today. And like I said, if you guys subscribe down below, you'll be notified when I release new videos, like this one that'll come out later today. Man, Smoky Mountain Knife Works has just dropped the ball on their sticker game. All right. Plenty of packing paper and a Boker. So guys, this is a Boker. This is going to be yet another pattern from Solingen, Germany on a traditional slip joint knife. I've kind of been impressed with how these things are sent out, guys. You get a little cool pouch here that has a pocket, has room for a couple of different knives. Boker single blade Barlow, that's what we'll be looking at today in the unboxing. But it comes with information here, and it comes with a pouch that's really handy. Like I say, I've used these to carry knives when I'm going over to buddies' houses and things like that. You can throw 3 knives in here easily. Let's see what we have here in the waxy paper. Sorry guys, I thought this was going to come quicker and easier. Could just cut it. Alright guys, so that is the Barlow pattern in this Smoky Mountain Knife Works closeout that they've been having on these. Wow, they oil these up on both the copper lined and copper bolstered patterns with the 01 tool steel, and they've also got, oh, this one is sharp. Most of these have come pretty dull, but this seems actually very sharp. Let's see. Well, it's sharper, but yeah, it could use a little love. But this is the Barlow pattern. Like I was saying before I got sidetracked, you could either grab this in a 440C and brass configuration, or you can get it in this copper with the copper liners and the 01 tool steel. This knife does have a pretty strong pull. I'd give it about a 4.5. Has a nice half stop. It's a little bit smaller knife. Let's look at it. Pick up these other patterns I've got, and they just happen to be here. So here's the Barlow next to the club, next to the Trapper. So the Barlow's a little bit smaller than the club there. And a good bit smaller than the Trapper. So yeah, what I haven't picked up is the Stockton. So guys, again, I will have a link in the description to Smoky Mountain Knife Works. If you're on their email list or their text list, you would have gotten a blast this morning about going to their closeout page or their sale page, their special blowouts, whatever they call it. And I clicked on that link just to see what they had, and it brought me to all of these Bokers that they have, these different patterns, which I think are the Barlow, the Club, the Trapper, and the Stockton. So as you guys know, I've kind of just jumped into the slip joint game, but I think I'm going to like this little knife. I think it's a good size for a secondary carry. I like the half stop, or as people in the slip joint game would refer as the walk and talk, but I like the look of it. I like that elongated bolster. It's got that burlap micarta, copper pins, copper liner, done very well. Spring and the fit and finish all look very good. I'll have to do a little sharpening on this on my little Work Sharp field sharpener. I think I told you guys I've been enjoying putting the edges on these little Bokers with the little Work Sharp field sharpener by hand, as really over trying to do them on my TS Prof. And I sharpen all my knives with my TS Prof. These are a little different game. But guys, I really appreciate it. I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate any amount of time that you ever come by the channel. Say hey. Come see me during the live streams on Friday night. I'll probably be doing a mic test at some point tonight. I've got another mic that I'm getting ready to start using. But if you're still here, please hit that subscribe button, the bell notification icon. I'd really appreciate it. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate instead of hate. Guys, till we meet again, peace.